Hello, my wonderful students. Very good morning to everyone. So, today we are going to see periodic test 1, class 8, max. So, this is the sample question paper of last year. So, we have for 40 marks. Okay. Session A, 1 mark question. So, 1 mark for each question, and we have 10 questions. Okay. First question, a number which can be expressed as p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So what is the answer? The answer is rational number. So we already know rational number is a number that is the form of p by q, where p and r are integers. So p and r are integers and q is not equal to 0. So q is not equal to 0. Why? That is because in division by 0 is undefined in max. If something 5 by 0 which is undefined in max. So the correct answer is rational number where p and q are integers. Okay. Next. Multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number. So the multiplicative inverse of a negative rational number is a negative rational number. If the question is multiplication inverse of a positive rational number, it is a positive rational number. Okay. So next. The additive inverse of minus 7 by 19. So what is the additive inverse? We already know. The additive inverse of a number is a number that when added to an original number result is 0. So that is the equation of an additive number. For example, additive inverse of a which is equal to minus a and minus a which is equal to a. Okay, so here we have the additive inverse of minus 7 divided by 19 is 7 divided by 19. Next, minus 3 divided by 8 plus 1 by 7 which is equal to 1 by 7 plus minus 3 divided by 8. It's an example to show that. So what is an example of? Addition of a rational number is commutative. Rational number are closed under subtraction. Rational number are closed under multiplication. Rational number are distributed under addition. So here the equation show two number is being added to one order of the left hand side. If you see the two number of added and the same two number are added in the number or number reverse the order of the right hand side. If you see minus 3 by 8 is here and minus 1 by 7 is here. It is the same but on the other side it is the reverse order. But the equality sign indicates that the result in the same regardless of the order. So we have the equal symbol regardless of the order. So this is an example of commutative property of an addition. So this is an example of commutative property of an addition. So we already read about the commutative property in an addition, right? I'll write the equation also so that it will be helpful for while you are doing your examination. So commutative. Okay, so we already know what is the commutative property of an addition. It's a plus b which is equal to b plus a. So it's 1 by a plus 1 by b which is equal to 1 by b plus 1 by a. That is what given here. Okay, next. The value of x if 8x minus 4 is equal to 4. So we need to find the value of x here. So x 8x minus 4 is equal to 4. So 8x which is equal to 4. So when minus 4 comes to the opposite side it becomes plus So 8x is equal to 8. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So now we have 8 in multiplication. So 8x is equal to, so when in multiplication goes to the opposite, it goes into division. So 8 into 8, so 8 ones are 8. So answer is x is equal to 1. So option C. Okay, next. Linear equation in one variable has. So linear equation in one variable has. So the answer is the linear equation is one variable are those equation in which there is only one variable present. And there is only one solution of an equation also. I'll tell you how to do that with an example. Okay, I'll erase this out. Okay, for example, let me write one linear expression. Imagine x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 10 minus 4 and x is equal to 6. So we observe that x plus 4 which is equal to 0 is a linear equation. So this is a linear equation with one variable x and has one solution. So x got only one solution. So the answer is one variable with any power. So one variable with, one variable with power 1. So the x has only one solution when we have given with a linear equation. Next, a simple closed curve made up of a line segment is called as a simple closed curve made up of a line segment is called as a polygon. For example, here this is a polygon and triangle, this is a polygon closed one. Okay, next. The sum of measures of an external angle is. So the sum of a measure of an external angle, for example, 1 minute student. I'll erase all these. External angle, let's take a triangle. Let's take a triangle here. So these are the external angles. So here we have 120, again 120 and 120. So 120 plus 120 plus 120, 120 into 3, which is 360. So the sum of the measure of the exterior angle is 360. Next, a regular polygon of 4 sides is a square. So it has 4 sides and 4 sides are right angles. So a square. Next, the adjacent angle in a parallelogram. So in a parallelogram, we have the adjacent angle. Here, we have A and B. So it is 180 degree the adjacent angles. So next we have session B. So now we have completed session A. So 10 mark questions. So next we will go to session B. I'll erase everything. 1 minute student. Okay, next we have like 2 mark questions. So 4 questions. So 4 into 2, 8. So first one, write the multiplicative inverse of the following. So it is very easy. Multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 9 is minus 1 minute students. Minus 9 by 5. And the next one, 2 by 4 is 4 by 2. Okay, if you want, you can give them a brief description like, for example, let n be the multiplicative inverse of minus 5 by 9. So n is equal n into minus 5 by 9 is equal to 1. N is equal to 1 divided by minus 5 by 9, which is 1 into 9 minus 5. So this is equal to minus 9 by 5. You can give this description, or you can simply write the multiple inverse of minus 5 by 9 is minus 9 by 5, because it's only 1 mark for each answer. Okay, next, represent minus 7 by 4 on a number line. So I'm going to erase these. 1 minute, student. I'll draw a number line. So represent minus 7 by 4 on a number line. So I'm going to draw a number line in black. So while doing, do using your scale. Okay. So starting here, 1 by 4. So this is minus 7 by 4. Okay. 0 minus 1 by 4 minus 2 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 1 minus 5 by 4 minus 6 by 4 minus 7 by 4 and minus 2. So you can mark your point here in minus 7 by 4, or you can circle it also. Anything you can do. Okay, next. Solve solve 3x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So solve 2x minus 3, which is equal to x plus 2. So I'm going to do here. So we have 2x minus 3, which is equal to x plus 2. So 2x minus 3, and bringing x this side, so this becomes minus x, which is equal to 2. So 2x minus x is x minus 3. So x is equal to 2. When minus 3 comes this side, this becomes plus 3. So 2 plus 5. So plus 3, which is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5. So you can close this answer. Okay. Easy sum. Next, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of side 8. So we already know it is very easy question. So we already know the sum of an exterior angle of a polygon, which is 360 degree, and here we have like a regular polygon, each side polygon of side 8. So we already have 360. So the side of 8. So 8 divided by 360. So 4, 32, 8 fours are 32. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. 40, 8 fives are 45. So the answer is 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay. So next we have session C. Verify that minus x is same as x for x equal to 13 divided by 7. Okay, so I'll solve the problem here in the left hand side. So very simple sum, students. Just follow the steps alone. So we already know the additive inverse, right? So additive inverse of x is equal to minus x, correct? So which is equal to minus 13 divided by 17. So 13 divided by 17 plus minus 13 divided by 17, which is equal to 0. So additive inverse of minus x, which is equal to minus into minus x. Okay, so minus 13 divided by 17, which is equal to 13 divided by 17. So let's check the answer now. So 13 divided by 17 plus 13 divided by 17, which is equal to 0. So minus x minus x is equal to x. Okay. Next, solve the linear equation x minus 5 divided by 3, which is equal to x minus 3 divided by 5. Okay, so we have x minus 5. So we are going to take this 5 from here. So 5, which is equal to, and 3 this side, the opposite side. So 3x minus 3. 5 into x is 5x. 5 5s are 25. So 3 into x, 3x. 3 3s are 9. So 5x minus 25 minus 3x, which is equal to minus 9. So we have 5x minus 3x, which is 2x. 2x minus 25, which is equal to 9. So minus 9. 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25. So 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2, 2 8s are 16. So x is equal to 8. Okay. So next, how many sides does regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24? Okay, I am going to erase this and write the answer. Okay, let me erase these things here. I'm going to erase everything. Okay, erasing. Okay. 1 minute, students. I have something written in pencil so that I'll erase those also. So we have some space to write the answer. Okay, now we will go back. So the question is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 25 degree? So we know that the sum of exterior angles of a regular polygon, the sum of exterior angle in a regular polygon is 360. So measure an exterior angle of regular polygon, which is 24 here. So the number of sides of the regular polygon now 36 degree divided by 24 degree, which is 24, 15s are 360. So which is 15. Okay. So how many sides does a regular polygon have? So it is 15 sides. Okay. So the number of sides of the given polygon is 15 sides. You have to write. So the number, you have to write the answer. Okay. So the number of sides of the given polygon is 15. Like that, you have to close the answer. Okay. Next, session D, we have state whether the following statement are true or false. An equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. A term may be transposed from one side to of another side, but the sign will not change. We cannot subtract the same number from both sides of an equation. So 3x plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 4. X plus 7 plus 9 is a linear equation in the variable of x. X equal to 1 is the solution equation of this one. So you have to find answer for everything. And next we have in the following figure, ship A, B, D, H and C, E, F, G are two parallelogram. Find the value of x. This I'll do. Okay, these are like easy questions. So the answer is already written here. So this one I will do it. Okay, let me erase all these so that I can have space to write the answer. One minute, student. And this question, the picture question, it's an important question. Okay, so I'm going to write the answer. Okay, so I'm going to write the answer. Take thin. Okay, so we have two parallelograms here, A, B, D, H and C, E, F, G. A, B, D, H and C, E, F, G. This one and this one. Okay. So in ABHD, so ABHD, the first one. So A, B, D, H or HD. So we have angle A, B, D, which is equal to angle A, H, D is 130 degree. So opposite angles of parallelograms are equal, right? So here if you see A, B, C, which is 130. So A, H, D is also 130 because these are opposite angles. Okay. And angle G, H, D is 180 degree minus A, H, D linear pair. So 180 minus 130 linear pairs. So GHD is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Also EFG. So we have EFG plus FGC is equal to 180 degree. The same like ABC and AHD. So same we have adjacent angles of parallelograms are supplementary. So we all know that rule. So angle EFG plus angle FGC is 180. So you can also write adjacent angle of a parallelogram or supplementary. You can write it. Okay, so next we have 30 degree plus FGC is equal to 180 degree. So F angle FGC equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree, which is 150 degree. Okay, so next we have HGC plus FGC. So HGC and FGC, which is 180 degree. I'll write it here. FGC angle plus angle HGC equal to 180 degree. So linear pair. So angle HGC equal to 180 degree minus angle FGC. So 180 minus 150. So we already have the answer 150 for FGC. So which is equal to 30 degree. Which one? HGC. So angle HGC is 30 degree. So now we will get the sum of the angles. So HGO by sum of the angle property, which is OHG and HGO and HOG, which is equal to 180 degree. So we already know the answer, 50 degree and 30 degree plus this we need to find out HOG, which is equal to 180 degree. So X is equal to 180, 50 plus 30 is equal to 80. So 180 minus 80 is 100 degree. Okay. So find the rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 and 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. These are like very easy questions. So 5-mark questions. So now we are completing this question paper, students. So if you have any doubts, you can always send me an email. It is there in the description box. Okay. All the best for your examination. I'm going to give you a star for all my wonderful students. Today a blue star. So do well on your examination. So very soon I'll be posting science question paper for revision. Okay. Take care, students. Bye bye and be safe. I'll pause the video. You can, if you want, you can note down the questions for your preparation. I'll pause it for some time. Students, if you want to get the sample question papers for chapter wise, kindly join the channel. I'll be sending the sample question papers for revision. Okay. Okay, so I'm just closing this video now. So very soon I'll update the science question paper, students. All the best. Do well and read the question, understand the concept and start writing the answer. Do not overwrite or do not scribble on any answers. Okay, take care, students. Be safe.